Hello everybody, my name is Mark Colton, CEO in Attis Aviation. Attis Aviation is a one-stop shop for UAV solutions. We are basically supporting customers from definition of requirements and up to delivery of the final product. There is a growing demand in the public safety domain for reliable, long endurance solutions, taking significant payloads, providing fast response to sudden events. And as part of the growth of our company, we decided to develop the ROC. ROC is a VTOL UAV system that's intended for the public safety applications, such as firefighting, early detection of fires, and wildfire support management. And we are using the ROC to do those missions. So the ROC is a 330 pounds maximum takeoff weight UAV, VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, that allows it to take off and land anywhere, anytime. It can carry up to 90 pounds of useful payload. It can fly above 20 hours of endurance. And this allows flexibility, mission flexibility. We are going to integrate the system, the ROC system, into the existing environment of the customer. That means integrating into the ecosystem of the customer. In addition to that, we understand there is a growing demand in public safety, in the commercial UAV ecosystem, to be able to fly in civil airspace without limitations. So we are developing from day one our ROC system to be certified to commercial and civil regulations, commercial regulations. That's it.